I'll tell you when. You just relax.
Start with her first.
I'm gonna talk first. I'm gonna talk
was
and then I'll tell you when we're ready.
finger-licking
All right, guys. So check this. This is Moshas, right? Coming to you from Moshas Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic. I have two of the most beautiful girls that you can ever see in your life here. They came last year. They came here before and they came looking for me and they finally found me. So they had jerk chicken and oxtail and they're going to tell you, they're from New York. They're going to tell you about the food. And I took the video late because I forgot. So first we have
Amanda.
This is Amanda. Amanda, tell them how you like your food, baby. I couldn't get the plate from you, right?
No, there's no plate. The food is gone. Delicious. Oh man, I inhaled it. Like, it was so good.
Yeah, I totally forgot because it was so comfortable eating, and you guys know that I always have a video of my favorite customers on my channel. So these are two, Brittany and Amanda. You're gonna see her again. So this is Amanda and Brittany. Hey baby, what's up?
It was finger licking good.
Yes,
The shit was slamming.
Oh,
And it came with a free chocolate.
and I give her a chocolate. I give
For
her
free.
For free.
Free.
Chocolate, baby.
Chocolate. Un chocolate? Como chocolate.
Pirate's booty.
So these are fun.
Oh, and it's a pirate's booty bar
It's a pirate's booty. I didn't even see that
with some rum.
with rum in it.
Me and Amanda gonna have fun.
You know what she said, right? Amanda said she felt like having something sweet. So I realized that I had bought this chocolate bar. Even though I don't eat it, I don't know why I bought it and put it in the fridge. And there she goes. But she don't eat that flavor. But Brittany.
I eat pirate's booty.
So again, guys, these are my victims for my food. And say
If I
again.
could eat another plate, I would, but I shouldn't. You
You
know.
should have what, baby?
Said if I could eat another plate, I would, but I shouldn't. You know.
She said if she could eat another plate, she would. And she's serious. And the mystery soul, the same thing. But she didn't finish hers because she's full. She
Why you
want to
didn't
say,
say that?
huh?
I'm gonna finish it when I get home.
She don't finish it. But anyway, guys, these are two of my beautiful, best customers that I always sit with them when they come. I don't sit with everybody, right? But I'm sitting with these two pretty girls. Anyway, guys, this is Moshe.
He had dinner with us.
Yes, I did, because I have my
This is
soup.
the second time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
You
right.
asked like that other salad.
Oh yeah, they remember the first time
So true.
I had my lettuce.
Yes.
Yes, I had lettuce because I don't eat meat. So I sat with them and they're cool people. I mean, I didn't feel any way sitting with them. And I feel like I know them for a long time. They're very nice young ladies. They're coming back. It's gonna be Brittany's birthday on the 20th. So make sure you guys show up. 20th, guys, it's a
May
Saturday.
20th.
May 20th, it's her birthday. Don't come.
Party.
Big party here.
Yeah, party.
Yeah. We're gonna do a double birthday. It's gonna be her and Amanda. And guys, remember what I say always. Whatever you don't like for yourself, don't do it to somebody else. Okay? Always keep it in mind. No one is perfect, but practice makes perfect. So if you practice a good habit, you'll be a good person. So practice what is right, and life will be a little bit easier. Blessed love. Moshe out.